Do you guys like doing customer service? Because quite frankly, I don't, but we just found a way to actually eliminate you doing it and getting someone to do it for you absolutely free of costs. Stay tuned. Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to our channel. We're gonna tell you all about it right now. Corey's gonna talk a little bit about what the app does, how you can use it. Let's hear what he has to say.
Yo guys, what is going on? So as Anthony mentioned, the other day I was just trolling through a bunch of Shopify stores, and as I was checking out one of them just to see like how their checkout looks, I noticed this insane feature that said like shipping protection for 98 cents. It was automatically turned on and I was like, God damn, this is actually like so smart. Like this must boost their AOV. So I did some more digging. I found out that the app was called Route or Root, however you pronounce it. And instantly I was intrigued to learn more. Quick disclosure, we are not affiliated with this app at all. We're just kind of dropping a value bomb. You can try them out risk free if you want. I have nothing to do with that. How it works is that for any customer that's now checking out with your store, if they choose to use that route option, which a lot of them do, I would say at least 85% of our customers so far have, at least probably like 90% or even higher. If they choose that, if they have any concerns about their tracking or if they receive their package and it's damaged, mainly like the tracking and like fulfillment issues, like if like their order says delivered and it's not there, or if their order is like stuck in like pending status for a long time, then you're in luck, because if they ever email you again, it's not your problem anymore and it's a Route's problem, and Route's gonna go A to Z to find out what their problem is for the customer and give them the answer without you having to even raise a single finger. And it's really life-changing, because for us, when our brand really started growing, of course more emails came in, and it was literally getting to the point where like the only thing I think about all day is like customer emails. Like I would just get to so many of them because I don't like having to pay someone to do a job for me unless it's really needed. And at that time it wasn't. So I was just doing so much emails myself until I realized this app and how game changing it really is. I actually hopped on a phone call with them, like a whole startup phone call. And just bottom line, if you have this simple app that integrates with Shopify and have it on your checkout page installed, anytime a customer checks out using it, they will take care of your customers for life. If they don't check out using it, it's totally fine. Like you're kind of just responsible for them, but a lot of them are going to be using it. Right when they check out, they get like a whole, like they get a tracking link kind of all through Route. They can download the Route app or just go on their website to track the order. And it just really saved, just game changing. So now instead of having 3 VAs do all your customer support, email support, and digging up tracking numbers, maybe you can cut down to just 1 or 2 and then have Route handle the rest. Literally, like they even send you a template to say to your customers where if a customer emails you and they used Route, you can just refer them straight to Route and it's all done. They do a much better job than most of you probably do yourselves. 2 things to remember, guys. Number 1, yes, there is a little kick to it. So basically, let's just say for example, if a customer is checking out using Route and their order is under $100, it's gonna be somewhere around 98 cents for them to use that protection, and most of them are gonna add that to your order. It's not like the fees they're paying for the protection are gonna be added to like your average order value or profit. It's all gonna go straight to Route. But I mean, again, for 98 cents, they're basically taking care of that customer for you. We saw it being worth it. And so just to remind you, number 1, at the end of each month, they will take however much fees the customer is paid for themselves. We were cool with that. If you're not, that's fine. Number 2, for anything to do with returns or exchanges, that's not up to Route, it's up to you still. This is only for fulfillment related issues such as like a damaged package, lost package, stuck in transit, etc. They'll fix all that stuff for you, which is usually more common. Like, unless you're in like a clothing kind of niche, exchanges are probably less common than like just having like a damaged item or whatnot. And so that pretty much wraps it up for this video. We're trying to keep our videos super short and just straight to the point, and so hopefully that video turns out that way. And if you did enjoy it, if you want to try it out, you totally can. Drop a thumbs up on this video, subscribe if you wish, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.